The Coron Forex Indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. Traders can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms from this section. And also to learn about how it works and its functionality, they can refer to this page for information about the indicator. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is activated on the chart, a histogram window will appear at the bottom of the chart. The Coron Forex Indicator is a practical tool for identifying market range zones and the beginning of bearish and bullish trends. After exiting the range zones, traders can use this information to enter a position, such as a sell, in the market. When the histogram values are displayed in yellow, it indicates the market is in a range zone. When the color is green, it indicates a bearish trend, and when the color is red, it indicates a bullish trend, guiding the trader accordingly. They use the signals to enter trades based on the main market movement. For example, in this section, we can see that the price is making higher highs and higher lows. And here, we can see that the histogram bar is displayed in yellow. When the histogram exits the market range and the first histogram value is displayed in red, we can use it as a buy signal and an entry signal to enter a buy position in the market. As long as the histogram values change from red again to yellow and show us the ranging areas, after that, once again, we can, when the histogram values change from yellow to red, as an entry signal for a trade, and as long as the areas that show us this range remain, we can stay in the position, or, based on the strategies we have, use trading opportunities and enter a buy position in the market. In the next section, we also see that the market is making lower highs and lower lows, and whenever the market shows us range areas, and after that a green histogram appears, we can use it as a signal to enter a trade for a buy position. We stay until the market enters a range area again. We ignore signals that go against the main market trend and wait for bearish signals. We stay in the market, and again here, a signal is generated for us that can be used as an opportunity to enter a sell trade, a sell signal. In the same way, you can enter a sell position in the market. This indicator doesn't have any special settings, and you can only change the signal color in the colors section of the settings for bullish signals. You can also change the color of the bearish signals and the ranging market to any color you like. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.